you remain in this your mood? Huh? Come out of this mood. Come out of this melancholy mood. We should thank God that they have forgiven us.
They have forgiven us. But I'm now the object of caricature in this community. Everyone is now talking about me. Which face, which eyes will I use to see people? Which face will I use to face people outside? Everybody is now talking about Monica. Monica did this, Monica did that, Monica did this. Hey!
This is not This is not what you should be thinking.
What will I be thinking?
Look. Huh?
Okay, Mom. Okay.
Hey!
Okay, Papa.
Hey, okay. Okay.
Papa.
You are welcome.
Hey. Welcome?
Hey.
Welcome from where now, Mama? Papa, why am I like this? What happened? Don't worry. The most important thing now is that you are back. Let us go inside so that you can refresh. You can freshen up. I'm back from where now? Where did I go that I'm coming back and I'm like this?
We will tell you when you get inside.
Don't worry. We will talk later. I will tell you everything that happened. Mama, talk to me. Somebody need to talk to me. Mama, talk to me.
No,
Let us go
don't
inside.
worry.
I mean, now look at me.
We will talk to you inside. Let's go inside.
Let's go.
Mama, inside?
Let's go inside.
We should go inside.
Yes.
Mama, you tell me something now. What happened?
Inside the house, we should talk. Hey! God, I thank you. I thank you. Hey!
You don't want to play finish. Customer, akara don't go no. Beans and plantain, fried potato, fried yam, very delicious.
Hello, beautiful girl.
Oga, they go.
Why is she walking away now?
We know they go, Oga. We are not going.
Alright. See, I stopped because I like you. I want to know more about you.
Yeah? You want to know more about me? Hey, pity yourself. Instead, make you hustle. So that you can pay for this higher purchase. You are toasting girls with this your Okada. I don't be the type when Okada man they toast though. Look at me. I am not the type. Be very careful.
Alright, I'll beg you. I will look for my time. But at least let me take you to wherever you're going.
I am not going, Oga. I am not going. What nonsense.
Please.
You want me? What? Are you okay? Are you well? Okay, get out of this place. Take a Simio. Are you still there? Let's go. Look at this Okada rider. Hey God. Face Chidi. Now this I just go back Okada man. Hi. Can you imagine? Neka. Okada man for that matter. See you. Can you imagine? After the Okada refuse that. Instead of him you see here, you have suffered. Just imagine you have suffered. Why did you even live like that? What kept you there? My sister. That idiot was talking to me about love. Say good morning, the hello babies. You look beautiful. Can you imagine? What concerns me? Didn't you see how I left the both of you there? Because I don't know what I will be discussing with an Okada man. Rather than taking me to my destination, then I paid him. You are not a good friend. What if that guy was a kidnapper that wanted to bundle me, put on his bike and zoom off? But he's not. He's just an Okada man looking for love. Rather than looking for customers to carry. That is why I gave him the dirty slap that he deserves. Next time when he sees a girl of my type along the road, he's not going to stop and say, I love you, I love you. You did very good job. You have doubled it for him. Why is it that it is only Okada men, India Okada that come after him? First it was Chidi, now this reference. Obi is like you are destined to follow Okada men. What? Come on, let me give you practice. I was joking. Get out before I give you practice. Okada man. You are so far.
What of your mother?
Mama, she should be in her room, Papa.
Go in there and call her. She's supposed to have been ready by now. Okay. Why this delay? We don't have time. Go and call her. What is it?
Papa.
Huh? Papa. What is it?
Papa,
What happened?
I tried to wake Mama. I shake Mama. I carry Mama. Mama is not waking up. Papa, Mama is not waking up. I don't know. Mama,
hey!
Mama.
Hey! Get it? Hey! 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 Mama! Hey! Monica now! My wife is gone! Oh, my wife is dead! Mama is dead!
Mama is gone! Mama is dead!
She's dead!
The food is there. The food is too much. Very sweet and very affordable too. I enjoy the food. So, what is your name?
We own it.
I don't understand. What do you mean by we own it?
My brother,
you mean family business?
Yes.
unfortunate. You people are doing well.
Thank you.
All right, I have to be going now. Thank you.
Please, since we don't need your fellow
Next time I'm coming, I'll come with Palago. Don't mention. Next time I'm coming, I'll come. You tired of serving? You serve. You get tired of serving us. All right, no, thank you. All right, this food there.
Good morning too. What are you looking for here? What have you come to do here?
Won't you offer me a seat first?
I was thinking. So, if I give you a seat in this house, you use that your bum and sit on it. Sis, let me tell you. If you don't have anything reasonable to say, oh yeah, follow where you came in.
Okay.
Huh?
I know you're angry with me for abandoning you during your trial time. Please, I'm sorry.
Ikenna, are you deaf? Is something wrong with your ears? I don't have time for gossip this morning, no. I don't want my father to come and start shouting at me. Okay, you've not finished sweeping. Okay, you've not fetched water. Okay, see, if you don't have anything reasonable to say, Ngwa and Lele, leave our compound.
Please, Oge, I'm sorry. Forgive me, please.
Why are you telling me sorry now?
For abandoning you, please.
Yeah. Men will always abandon men. But God cannot abandon who He creates. When you think my own was gone, finished, God said, Mba, she has future, and God kept me alive. See, let me tell you, I don't have your time this morning. Ikenna, leave my compound before I call my father for you.
Please, Oge, give me a second chance. It won't happen again, please.
It's a second chance. My dear, second chance cannot be forgiven. I cannot forgive you. Do you know why? There will not be opportunity for you to have me again. Are you hearing me or are you deaf?
Please, okay, I'm sorry.
Ossie, please.
Please.
You don't want to go?
Please,
Ossie, please. Papa, you don't. Papa, don't go. Look at me. Okay. Give me second now. Keep like what I don't know. Come here again and beg me. When I was busy suffering, you run and leave me. You don't know that God will stand by me and deliver me. If I see you here again, that's what I'll do to you. Village boy like you. Come here and disturb my life again.
Ikenna. Hey. Ike Bobo. What happened again? Eh? What is it this time around? Ikenna, talk to me now.
Why do you ask?
Why would I ask? Eh? How will my friend be looking like this and I will not ask? This is not the Ikenna that I know. No.
And Chidex, you see, I messed up big time about Oge's matter and it's really bothering my mind.
Oh, now you know. You were thinking she was never going to recover from the madness, right? Eh? You were thinking she was not going to be healed. See, Ikenna, you did not do well. You did not do well at all. You're my guy, but I will tell you the truth.
See, please, all I need now is solution. What is the way forward? Please.
Just go to her and apologize. But that is only if she listens to you.
I did all that, but she doesn't want to see me around her.
Oh, you have already gone to her to apologize. Wow, this one is strong. Okay, I got you on this, okay? I will do the talking. Okay? I will do the talking here. I will go to her place with her friend Neka.
Thank you,
So, talking about love, don't go there. Don't just go there because you messed up big time. You messed up big time. Oh, you are here saying, I love her, I love her. If you claim to love her, why did you abandon her when she was so sick? Yeah, saying I love her. Come on, after that thing, I go up with you. That job I'm doing here.
This world is truly wicked. I never knew that Mama Obi was that place. Oh, that woman shocked me. People of this world, when you see some of them carrying Bible up and down, you will think that they are the angel sent to this world to come and deliver us. They even sleep in church. They stay in the church. But I don't ask that woman because I know that she will be screaming and rotting in hellfire where she was. You don't know? Did you see me cry? I can't feel sorry for someone who just killed herself out of jealousy. Why not? Last. I feel sorry for her. Aki does not deserve this evil. I feel sorry for her because everything is mother. It's so easy to lose mother. We all should thank God that she's not the one that they use. But she's not the one that made them. She's not the one that made them. Let me bury herself.
Ijoma. Did you bring the old mattress to this house? Why?
What did you expect? That I threw it away? Seriously?
Ijoma, this is a new house. You can't bring old things into our new house. The old things should remain in the old house.
That's a strange thing to say. It might be a new house, but it's not ours. It's a rented house. We're still building our own. So I think that when we finish building our own house, then we can throw away the old properties and buy new ones. We don't have to live extravagantly. You know where we're coming from.
Oh, yes. I know where we're coming from. That is why we should enjoy our lives. We can't keep struggling for the rest of our life. We need to enjoy a little bit. Buy new things. That mattress is smelly.
No, it's not. Chukwuka, our parents died without achieving a lot. We that are alive have a lot to accomplish. And we cannot accomplish all of them by spending money recklessly. We have our own house to finish building. You have to go back to school. All of these things need money.
Go back to school?
Yes.
I already have my school certificate.
But
what more do you need?
You need to further your education.
Oh, I hear you.
It's a good idea that you further your education. Throw away the...
Ijoma, that mattress is smelling.
That's a very unfair thing to say. Oh, of course. Why would you say it? Is it not said that the Adotabo, Achupagadi? You have money now, you live in a new house, and so to hell with the old properties.
But
if that mattress could talk, Chukwuka, it will remind you of all the times it comforted you. Money will go now, you have money. Insult the mattress. Please don't throw it away. Yes. Okay. I've heard all you just said, But I wish you can give him a second chance. You know our people said that the first fall is a mistake, but the second one is intentional,
I'm suspecting you. What are you trying to tell me? Wait. After everything he did, I should forgive him. Someone that has proven himself so wicked and ugly and bad friend. And you still want me to give him a listening ear? What is your problem now? If it is you, will you agree?
Okay, we know all this.
Oh.
But it's as if someone have influenced him. Give him a chance, please.
I should give him a chance?
Yes.
Let me tell you. A friend that couldn't stand by you at a critical time don't need to be a friend. It's just like as I am now, you're my friend. Somebody will now come to me and said, okay, you see that your friend, Neka, she's this, she's that, and I will avoid you. How will you feel? Talk more of my own boyfriend that abandoned me in time of need. Don't tell me about him again.
Okay, please, I will want you to just call him, hear from him. Just listen to his own part of it, please. Yes.
Okay, call him, listen to him. Yeah. Look at your mother using to talk. I should call him and give him a listening ear after what he did. Somebody that abandoned me when I need him the most. I'm suspecting both of you. You heard me right. I'm suspecting both of you. Maybe both of you have started cornering yourself. Are you sure he's not the one that sent you to beg me?
No. As an errand girl or what?
I'm suspecting both of you.
No, nothing.
I'm suspecting both of you.
Sign.
See, from today onward, I don't want to hear anything about Ikenna again. If you don't have anything reasonable to tell me, don't come to my house again. Or don't come when you're going to fetch Chacha. Or don't even come to tell me anything again. I hear me.
Okay.
Yes.
Why are we friends? Why are we friends?
I'll deal with you. I'll deal with
with
you.
Okay, calm down. We are friends, you know that,
EJ. Yes, now. EJ, I came to your shop last week to patronize you. You even asked me to come with our Okada people.
That's true. So you remember me?
How can I forget an angelic face like you? It's not possible now. Yes, I even came to your shop last week as I promised you with our group of Okada people. When we got there, we noticed that the shop was locked. What happened?
Yeah, that's true. We lost somebody in our family. My uncle's wife, she died.
Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. It's okay. May her gentle soul rest in peace.
Amen.
All right, so where are you heading to?
I'm going home.
Let me drop you now.
I'm almost at my
I
place.
insist. I persist too.
You don't have to waste your
I
fuel.
insist. I persist too. Persist you. Let me drop you. EJ. Let me drop you. I insist. I persist. Ew.
So this is my house.
Nice place you have.
Thank you. But why is it that everything you see me do, you always say it's nice?
Because you're nice. And you're also languorous damsel. Epitome of beauty. Paragon of Ifanalo. So everything around you must be nice.
Thank you.
Yes.
Come in and have a seat.
Wait. No, not today. You know I just brought you home. I don't want you to trek home.
You're
okay?
very kind.
Yes. So how will your tomorrow look like?
I'll be at my shop doing my business. Why do you ask?
Okay. All right, I want us to discuss important issue. So I will come to your shop tomorrow.
What's the issue?
I'm still cooking it. It's not yet done. I don't want to serve it half done. When I come to your shop tomorrow, I will tell you. Okay? All right. Take care. Oh, Only the more remote.
Neka, how are you?
Fine, welcome.
Thank you very much. Welcome. Please, have you spoken to her?
Yes. It took me time to talk to her. You know it's really that easy. Regarding what she wants. And
So, what do I do now?
you just have to look for her that you want to put such a thing. I will advise you never know. Just keep talking to her. I know the thing she will consider. Just keep talking to her. And prove to her that you want to put such a thing.
Thank you. I think I have to visit her to see what I can do for her to be happy with me again.
I know it's better, but just do it gradually. Obi is not someone you can touch. Do it gradually. You know she does her things differently from others.
But Neka, how do I start getting closer to her? Because the other time I visited her, she didn't welcome me.
Don't worry, she's my friend. Just leave that for me. I want you.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Alright, bye.
Will he take time before he comes in?
No, he will soon be here.
Mama, I really love Obi. She has a special place in my heart.
You have a beautiful daughter, and my son is purely in love with her.
Hi, Obi. Hi, Obi, smile for me now. Why are you carrying that kind of
Okay, if you want to marry, like the time your mother was coming,
yeah,
it was frown. That is my normal way.
Okay. Hi, Obi.
Welcome, Papa.
Nine, deal.
What are you people doing in my house?
Haji, we are welcome. We have been waiting for you to come back. No.
Nine. They came to ask of you, and I told them that you were not around, but they insisted that they'll wait for you. That's why they are here.
You have not answered my question. I say, what are you people doing in my house?
Haji, if you insist, there's a fowl that we saw along the road. Then, before we know it, the fowl ran into your compound. And we are here to catch the fowl. And the fowl is a very big and beautiful fowl.
A fowl ran into my house and want to catch it?
Yes.
But Nine, they came to marry our daughter. Why not allow them to do what they come for?
You see, that is an idiomatic expression. Our people eat words with proverbs. Manu can never age a ryoku. Oh?
What do you do?
I'm a graduate, but due to the situation in the country, I supplemented Okada business just once in a while.
Yes.
Does he look like an Okada garage?
Nine, allow them now. They are here to take our daughter in marriage. Allow them.
Woman, get to backyard. Please, I don't want to chase you out from my house, but I don't have fun.
Oh, Haji.
I say you.
I don't know what I
Go now. don't like when my father is
I say you.
Guy, Kailan.
Go. My father is angry. I don't like when he's angry. Just go.
Yeah.
Please.
Who are you leaving this thing? Please. Take it. Take it as well.
Just go first now. Go. I don't want my father to be angry. Go first.
Hey. Yeah, let's go now. I said we should go.
My father will be angry now. Go now.
Why you?
Yeah.
Why you? Our people say that no palm wine that is taken to the in-laws' house that will be taken back. Yes.
But what do you suggest we do?
Give me that keg of palm wine. Buya Mumaya!
You would have thrown it away.
Shane, you won't understand. I'm an elderly man. Let's go. Kyla! Come, let's go. Kyla! Sort it.
Please, I've come to beg you. I know we've wronged you. Me, personally, I've really wronged you. I've come to say that I'm sorry for all the bad things me and my parents have done to you. Please, forgive me. Forgive us. Please.
Ogechi,
we have had this talk severally.
I have forgiven you.
Hey,
I forgave you a long time ago.
Hey, thank you. Thank you very much.
I mean, you let the devil lose you, but I put all that behind me.
Thank you. I want to beg you for something. I want to beg you for one thing again.
Sit down.
Eh? I should sit down. Hey, thank you. Thank you very much.
What is it?
You know, as it stands now, my father is no longer strong again, and age is telling on him. Could not be able to go tap palm wine for sex, and to feed is becoming a very big problem to us. So I come to beg you, if you allow me, let me join the laborer at the site where you're building your new house, so I can join them to do work. I can be able to see food to eat, and my father as well. Please.
That work is for men.
Hey, don't say that though. Camille, there's nothing I cannot do. I see anything called work, men or women or boy or girl, or any work at all, I can do it. Just give me a chance to see me doing it. Please. Please.
Well, I'll talk to Chuka. He's the one in charge. He and the contractor, they're in charge. They'll give you an opportunity.
Hey, thank you.
Oh, would you rather join me at the mouth shop?
Huh?
To work?
Hey! Thank you. That would have been very, very better. In fact, that's the best. But I was scared to tell you. because of what my mom did to you, I felt to be scared so that such will not repeat themselves. If not, that one is better. I see, I can wash plates, serve customers, even this your house, I will clean it, I'll wash your clothes, I will do even if you want me to bath you, I will bath you, clean your leg, do everything, I can do it.
You can start tomorrow.
See, I can wash plates, I can clean your house, I can serve, you see this house, I will move it up everywhere, go to your shop, I can do anything. So she start tomorrow. Let's see, Thank you. Thank you. Let me go tell my father. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Talk, I hear you now. Talk! Do you think I'm happy with you? Why did you allow your father to display such acts to Shide? This question, when you ask me now, who am I supposed to ask? Make I ask my father. Come here, but I understand he told you before going to your place with his... Or didn't he? Neka, me and Chidi, now I love you, we they do. I told him, give me small time before I look. I never knew he was serious. How will I know he's serious? But were you not there? Can't you intervene? Intervene? As referee? No, if I intervene, you foresee me for this place. If I intervene, I would have been dead by now. My father would have killed me. You made a very big mistake by allowing your father to humiliate that young man. Right? You just have to grow. You have to grow. Don't be arrogant to people. It's not good. Me? Yes, grow up. Don't say I did not tell you. Let me say I be small pikin now. No wahala. As this marriage no work, you fit apply, you can apply. I don't understand. What did you say? Because as I be small pikin, I never raped him. You married the Chidi now. I don't blame you. I don't know why this thing is even paining you. I don't blame you. I don't know why it's paining you. I don't blame you. Marry the man. Hey, please get away. Marry him. I want to for advice you again. You get away. Get away. Me, I get away. Why are you behaving like this? Get away. Get away. What kind of friend are you? What kind of friend are you? Get away, Neka. Get away. Please get that job. Better if you look at it because you are friends. Get away. I've advised you. I've done enough. Get away. I've done more than enough for you. Please come, John. I don't want to quarrel with you. You know you like quarreling.
Uncle, I want to know what you've resolved regarding Ohaji family.
Ohaji family? Shit, as you can see, I am very angry about everything. But if I may ask you, what is so wonderful about this girl that made you stick so close to her?
Uncle, I love her so much. I love her from the bottom of my heart.
You love her so much. Is that why you should obey all her commands? How can a small girl like that control you?
I'm sorry, Uncle. I'm very, very sorry.
Let me tell you, you have to rethink. It is only a foolish man that goes to stream to fetch water with his mother's basket. You have to rethink.
Uncle, I will do anything. I will do whatever it takes to marry her.
To marry that girl?
Yes, Uncle.
Shit. From the experience I got the very day we got to that place, marrying from that family is just like tossing basket over water. You have to rethink.
But at least now, let's just hear from them the second time.
Huh?
Let's just hear from them the second time.
Hear from them the second time?
Yes.
I've heard you. No problem. Yeah. Hear from them the second time. This is one.
I'm still in shock for the kind of disgrace and insult Obi's father rained down on me on that day.
You deserve it, kid. Oh yes. After all I told you about her, you still went there with your people. I don't even know what to say in that arrogant girl. No.
Ikenna, you will not just understand. Put yourself in my shoes. I really like that girl, like from the depth of my heart. Obi have a special place in my heart. I really like her.
Just wait. Is she the only beautiful girl? There are more beautiful girls. Beauty and character. Now that her father has refused, tell me, what will you do? Huh?
She was so good to me. I don't just know what came upon her father on that day.
Please, stop that. I have better things running in my head right now. Please.
Oh, I know where all this is going. Eh? It's about Obi itself. See, let me tell you that. No, just imagine.
Enough, Chief, please. Enough. Enough, please.
Okay, now.
You don't even know when someone is in the mood.
Is that why you're shouting? Calm down now. Is that why you're shouting at me like this? Am I not your friend again? Hey, again now.
Mama, you're welcome.
Thank you.
But how did you find our house?
Very simple, my dear. Who does not know you and your sister in this village? Of course, you know you people are very popular here. Chukwuka, I never knew you now answer CJ Sports.
Yeah, business name.
Okay. So where is Ijoma, your sister?
She stepped out to get something at the market. She'll be back soon.
Okay. I hope she is very healthy just as you are.
She's doing very well.
We thank God. Anyways, I came to collect my remaining crops at the farm.
Oh, okay.
You know, I do farm once in a while.
Yeah, I remember.
So I came to collect what I have left in that farm.
You have done so well. Hold on.
Okay. They are doing well for themselves. And bless God.
Please. Drink some of that.
You are offering me cola.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. Chukwuka, I thought it wise to use one stone to kill two birds. Please, I want to use this same opportunity to apologize to you and your sister for what happened. The way we parted, I never knew all the information I was being fed was all false. Please forgive me, my son. I only acted out of ignorance.
I understand, Mama. You have done very well by coming to apologize. But honestly, we have forgotten about those things. And we have also forgiven everyone who treated us bad in the past. It's all in the past now. And everything was meant to happen. However, everything is fine now.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I sincerely appreciate this.
Thank you.
Okay, I have to run.
Yeah, Mama, there's something I've always wanted to tell you, but I don't know if this is the right time to say it.
No problem. You are free to say whatever.
You know, sometimes it's very important to ask. I don't know how it might sound though, but you know, It might not be possible. And it might also be possible. Mama, can I marry your daughter, Rosemary?
Huh? My own Rosemary?
Yes.
Ha! This is a good news. I like this. Why not? You can. You can, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Ma. You know, it's very important to ask this question. So that I don't cross the line.
No problem. You are welcome to my house anytime, any day. Chuka, my son-in-law. Hey, this is good.
Yes, sir. See, I'm very happy now that we've decided that I'm working for you.
Me too. I am happy. Peace is a good thing. Are you not enjoying this peace? Are you not enjoying it?
It's not my fault now. Not my fault.
That's why.
Yes.
Come.
See, if you want me to bath you, I'll bath you.
When you finish, we have enough plantain, potato, yam, akara for you. To replenish the energy you used to wash the plates.
Hey, you mean you will now give me and now take it home?
You will take home. When it gets cold, you know what to do. Put oil on fire. When it's hot, pour it inside. We'll heat it up. It will be too much. You cannot finish it alone, so you need to give Papa, Mama, even neighbors.
Hey,
come. How much money have we made? Because we need to go to market before market closes. Joy, what are you doing?
Learn how to do. How do you learn it? That your mother must be finger of food. She can. Since I started eating your food, I don't go to any place again. I will see your food in my dream. That's Thank God, sir, I come across your shop that day. I was looking for a better place to eat. I've moved everywhere in this village. Nowhere to sleep. Or you shocked me with your finger of importance. You can cook for Africa. EJ. Even when I'm sleeping, I'm thinking of your peace. If I'm walking, I'm thinking of your peace. Anything, even if I'm washing clothes, I'm thinking of your peace. Inside my stomach.
This Okada man is following Ijeoma up and down. I've heard that he wants to get married to her. Hey! Which marriage? Ijeoma is just using him as errand boy to run her business. How would she marry that Okada man that does not have sense? Using his bike to chase girls up and down. But they might from there get married. Don't you think of it? Who knows? They may be dating with style. Nothing is impossible. Is it not from dating that you get married? What's the difference there? But Neka. What part of the village did that Okada man come from, Seth? I want to know now. This question now, I'm supposed to be asking you. Is Ijeoma not from, are you not from the same mother with Ijeoma? I'm supposed to be asking you the question. An Okada man. Ijeoma, my sister. Ijeoma can form my hand. What of Chuka?
He's there.
That boy, I don't know if he does not even see me. I'll be giving him eye. Hey, Chuka. But he just pretends like, I'm not fine. I'm not fine.
Don't tell me that is the reason you rejected Shidi.
That is not the reason.
Obi.
That is not the reason.
Obi, my friend. Obi, it's like there's something I don't know about you.
Huh?
I said how far?
How far? Oh, my sister. Oh, okay. She's not at home now. I suggest you come back later.
Shooks, I know your sister may be angry with me.
Huh?
I said I know your sister may be angry with me. Please.
Oh, angry with you?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Please tell her I mean no harm. I will explain everything to her. Biko.
I should tell her you mean no harm.
Yes, tell her I mean
no harm. You will explain everything to her.
Yes, when I see her.
When you see her?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. I'll tell her.
Please, don't forget.
Huh?
I said I mean no harm. Please don't forget.
I should not forget.
Yes.
I can't forget.
Thank you.
No problem.
Don't forget to tell her, please.
Huh?
You should tell her, don't forget.
Okay.